DMC.
Hello everyone, I am Taylor Isabel. As a tailor, you need to have these 3 skills. First, you need to be concentrating, like this. I am concentrating when I'm sewing clothes. Second, you need to have patterning, like this. I use shapes and color to pattern clothes. Third, you need to have measuring skills, like this. I use the measuring tape to measure clothes when I'm sewing clothes. So you need to have concentrating, patterning, and measuring skills. Come, let's be a tailor just like me. I am Taylor Isabel. Thank you.
We are from DMC.